Part 2. Now we are making, or he's making, eggs. Let's see what's going on here. Can you tell us what you put in your eggs?
Nope. No family recipe.
Did you put your seasoning in there? The one I like? Yeah.
The toast already was done.
Let's look at his bacon again. Golden. She's golden. We're gonna watch it from the beginning since I didn't catch that. Chef Boyardee. She said good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Mario.
That's Mike. That's our little one. Right there. Say hi.
Hi.
And always remember to wash your plate. I mean, pot. Whatever the hell it is.
Burn yourself if you want to.
I don't want to do that. Golden. She golden. You gotta tell us what you're making over here, babe. Don't fall down. Silly girl. He said cheese.
This ain't that government. It's that cheese.
Cheese.
Little Mexican thing.
Cheese, babe. You should do this. Show them how to do it the right way. Starting to look good already. That's before, and that's after. So if we had a YouTube together, what would our name be?
What?
If we had a YouTube name, what would it be?
Yeah, I don't know. That requires thought. What kind of thought we talking about?
Unfortunately, Queen, whatever her name is, took our name, so we got the royalty family. Unfortunately, we should have been picked that a long time ago. And we gotta figure something else.
It's a YouTuber with my name.
You know, Najee, Queen Najee, whatever her name is. And her boyfriend got a whole YouTube name, the Royalty Family. I was so mad when I found that out. I was like, we should have been had that name.
Boyfriend.
The dude Clarence. The light skin guy? Yeah. Some of that. I was like, what? How you
Oh,
going?
CJ?
Huh?
Oh, CJ?
No, that's her baby father name. That's CJ is her kid name.
Oh, we talking about two totally different.
No, we talking about the same person. I know who you talking about. But with her new boyfriend, she has a YouTube, and they call it the Royalty Family.
Oh, we ain't talking about the same person. Look, this is your old piece of toast.
Oh, I had two? Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Don't worry about his hair. He felt he just woke up and he said, "Fuck it."
Grenade! Grenade! Now she's attempting to say grenade. Grenade!
She's so silly. That's a
Only
big one.
crazy baby gonna say grenade and laugh after she says grenade! Ah! Yeah. She's one of those.
Okay. Well, part 2 is over. Thank you for watching.
No.
No, what?
No, I like saying no.
Okay.